In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 6 options infographic slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I've just created kind of a wall there and there's a pillar here. And when I click, the first option comes here with the option number, the title and the detailed text here along with the shadow effect. And when I click, it will show the second option, third option, fourth option, fifth and sixth option. Likewise, I have created some more with different colors. You can see here, you can, if you want, you can use each option with a different color. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to view and enable the guides, and right mouse click, go to format background, and I'm going to give the background with some light gray colors. Any color you can check, or if you have any good picture also, you can just add the picture here. Then go to insert shapes. I'm going to select the rectangle, draw the rectangle from the center of the slide, maybe this much width, and shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to use a gradient fill. For that, click on gradient fill and type linear direction. You can just change this to linear right, you can see here, and there are 4 stops. I'm going to delete 2. Let me just delete these 2, and then this color I'm going to make it maybe the background color, or yeah, this is the background color, and then this one I'm just going to make it more darker color, you can see here. So it looks something like this, and this also is blending with the background. Let me just give somewhat darker color, yeah, and if you want, you can just increase the more darker side here. And then I'm just going to select this, press Ctrl D to duplicate and just put it here. So you can see here it got a 3D look. Let me just remove the guides. So you can see here it got this kind of a triangle look. And then I'm just going to add another shapes to it. Go to insert shapes, and I'm going to select this one from the block arrows. Can you see this one? Arrow pentagon. Just draw the arrow pentagon. Again, depending on your size, how much big you need. And shape outline, make it no outline, and you can just choose some right colors. Let me just go to more color, and whichever color you feel better, just choose it. And then rotate, I will just rotate to flip horizontal, you can see here. And I want to give a look that way, the arrow coming out from this particular pillar. For that, let me just go to effects and shadows. If I just go to preset here, you can see you have got a variety of inner shadows here. For let me just select maybe this one. So you can see here it looks something like that, it's coming out from this one. And then I want to give a kind of 3D look. For that, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and shadow, make it no shadow effect. And color, I'm just going to use maybe black color and a little bit of a transparency, and just bring it here something like this, and then send this to back. So you can see here it got some 3D look also. Now I'm just going to select this, or you can just add the text and everything, and then you can group it and add to the other one. So let me just add some text. Go to insert text box, you can just put the title here, and font color I'm going to change to white, you can see here. And then you can add more detailed text below. Here you can add your detailed text. Again, white font, reduce the size, put it here, and then you can put one number. For that, go to insert shapes, select a oval shape, hold the shift key to draw a oval shape. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, make it white, and bring it here, you can see here. And then go to insert text box, and I'm going to just type 01. Select this, center align, make it bold, increase the size, and put it here. So you can see here, let me just put it exactly in the center. And then I'm just going to select all of these. You can see here, just hold the left mouse key and just drag it onto the objects you need to highlight and release it, and press Ctrl G to group it, Ctrl D to duplicate it, and I'm just going to add one here and one here. And then I'm going to select this, press Ctrl D, and I'm going to format, rotate. You can simply rotate like this, you can see here, and then put it exactly the same place, you can see here, and again Ctrl D, add it here, Ctrl D, and make sure that this is all aligned. Now change these numbers to 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. And if you want, you can just keep one color, or you can just simply come and select this, go to more color, and whichever color which you feel best, you can just change it. And then I'm just going to select this arrow, press F4 key so that it will repeat. You don't need to do the same color again. So you can see here our simple design is ready, and it's time to give the animation, or if you feel, you can give a different color to each this pentagon shape. So let me just add the animation now. And before adding the animation, let me just add the shadow effect for that. In that case, go to Insert, Shape, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle, shape outline, make it no outline, and this also I'm going to select the gradient fill. And you can see here we have used this gradient before, so I'm just going to use the same thing, but I'm going to just change the color to a black, you can see here. And direction, I'm just going to change it. Maybe I will just use say this direction, and you can select this color, the first stop, and change the background to the background what we have here, you can see here, and make it fully transparent. And just bring this one here and rotate a little bit, you can see here, and put it here. Let me just show you, zoom, you can see here. Or I can just change the direction also, should look something like this, that will be more better. And this also I'll make it a little bit transparent effect, and then send this to back. So you can see here you got this shadow effect. Let me just reduce the size and make it more inside, and send this back. Yeah, so you can see here we have got this shadow effect. And if you want, you can just go here also, effects, and give some soft edges also. If I just increase, you can see here you got the soft edges also. And then I'm going to select this, press Ctrl D, and just add all the places wherever required. And then again this also I'm just going to send this back, go to format, send back. And then again I'm going to select this, press Ctrl D, bring the other side and rotate the shape, flip horizontal, and put it here. Ctrl D, I'm just going to add one more here, and the last one here. And again select all these three and send this to back. So you can see here we have got the shadow effect also. Now it's time to do the animation. Close the format background, click on animations, enable the animation pane, select the first one, and then go to add animation, go to more entrance effects and select stretch. You can see here, click OK, and then effect options, say from right. So it comes something like this. And then I'm going to select the shadow and I'm going to give the wipe effect. You can see here again wipe effect, say from right, and this should happen with previous. So if I play, it comes something like this. Now it's easy for me to do the animation for the other options. So I'm just going to select this, click on animation painter, click on the number 3 option, you can see here, and then you can just select this and do it here. Or if you want to do it for the second one, you can just select this one, animation painter, click on here, and this direction we have to change from left. And the shadow effect also, I'm going to select animation effect and click here, and this also just change from here. So if I just play, for example, it comes something like this, you can see here. So you can just use the animation painter and do the copy the animation. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.